Happy Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Alright guys, so today I'm very, very excited to bring you my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. I look forward to this every season. It's the best. So this is the Spring 2019 box, and this time I forgot to customize my box. So I got whatever they just decided to send me. If you do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service, so you get it 4 times a year. It is $49.99. I believe you can save a certain amount on your first box. I have a code that I'll link below. Only because I'm a subscriber to FabFitFun already do I get that code, so it's like share it with your friends. So I'll go ahead and put that below for you guys. It's basically a fitness, beauty, lifestyle subscription service. So I do Bhakti Charm and I do FabFitFun, and those are the only 2 subscription services that I do. I feel like I really get my money's worth, my $50 worth with FabFitFun. The box is huge. It's like half the size of my body, and you get like over $200 worth of products in here, which is really cool. I already peeked inside. I'm pretty excited about what's in this box. I've already promised my mom one thing that's in here because I just don't think I'll use it. So you can customize your box, which is great, up to an extent. So they send you an email and they say the window is open for you to customize your box. Choose this or this, and it gives you like, maybe 3 or 4 things to choose from. Some things in the box you're gonna get. That's just how it is. Like, everybody gets that. And then there's a couple things that you can actually customize, which is really cool. So the first thing that you get in the box is the FabFitFun little magazine. So the thing that I like the most about this little mailer is the what's in the box pages. On this page, you get to see what you could have gotten. So they have a little a page in here on the change of the logo, which is actually super cute. Super cute. We'll keep that right there just in case we need to reference. Something that we usually see in this box very often is a $50 gift card for $25 off 2 deliveries plus shipping for HelloFresh. Right there. I will probably pass this along. Here's our box. Look how fun. The first thing that I see in here is the Daily Concepts Daily Detox Massaging Brush, 100% natural bristles. Says your body needs TLC to exfoliate layers of dead skin and stimulate circulation with the brush's natural bristles and massaging nodules. So $18. It says use dry or wet, scrub and repeat. You can use the brush with your favorite body wash or on its own. It's got this boar bristle type bristle on it, and then these kind of rubber, these white nodules here, and it's got this hand thing. It's a little big. I guess you just kind of hold on to it and you just rub it on your legs or your arms, and you just kind of polish your skin so it sloughs away any sort of dead skin. Clean brush after use. Do not leave in the shower or humid areas. I bet it will get moldy. I just dropped that. Interesting. That's cute. Stuff that you maybe wouldn't buy yourself that you never knew you liked, Alright, I'm into it. I like it. Okay, nice. Alright, the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So it says visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. Don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color dark circles. Meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly under your eyes. I don't really deal with puffy under eyes. Usually just darker, you look sleepy under eyes, So we'll try it out. We'll see. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. After your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. Let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. All skin types. Sunglasses. I'm excited about these sunglasses. Let's see which ones I got. There's 2 different styles, it looks like. But they are Key Australia, which that's the sunglasses that I wear, is Key. Oh, it's the Vivian. Okay, so it's the bigger aviator ones, which will probably fit my face a little better. The other ones are a little bit more cat eye. All right. Oh, this is a nice case too. It's hard up top, so you have to pop it open. And it's just kind of this soft leather. That's really cool. And they come in this nice bag. All right. Okay, these are huge. These are the big size. These are the big size. So, oh, and they're crooked. All right. They are huge. I feel like I've got big like fly eyes, you know. I might give these away. Bish. So it says these oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for no slip wear. They retail for $60. I could have chosen these. I could have chosen the Key Australia My Girl in black smoke, so they're more of a cat eye. I could have chosen the Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu. Oh, picnic set. I would never have used that. The Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I don't think I would, honestly, like, I like these and I like the shape of them. They're just a little big. So, because my head, I feel like, is too small for these. I'll probably give them away, but $60 sunglasses, somebody's going to get some nice sunglasses, you know? I love my faves. They are so cute. And that's the good thing about these boxes, too, is even if you don't think you're going to use something, you know, you got friends that don't get this box that might be interested. All right, so the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I don't have anything from Way, but I know about the brand. It says a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing, and heat styling for added conditioning, thermal protection, and control. I'm excited about this. So Way, I believe, is a brand by Jen Atkins, who's a celebrity stylist, hair stylist. I first heard about her just from like Instagram, I guess. It smells nice. I kind of have a little bit of a cold right now. It smells very spa. I like it. But I don't own any of her products, so I'm very excited about that. Let's see what the magazine says. So everybody got this in their box, it says. It says, we're way obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. $26. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing. We already talked about that. So I don't know if there's a larger size of this, but this is 4.7 ounces. Sip by Swell bottle. This is what I've already promised my mom. I already promised her this bottle because I have a Hydro Flask and I've got about three or four other reusable bottles. My Hydro Flask goes everywhere with me. If you looked at it, you'd say, damn, you dropped your Hydro Flask a lot. And I'd be like, yeah, because it goes everywhere with me. A lot of my friends have these bottles and it's great. I mean, it's reusable. How many ounces is this? 15 ounces. So it's great to just take, refill, take, and refill. I see these bottles at Target all the time and they have cute little designs on them. This one has little foxes on it. Pretty cute little fox and a little tail. But yeah, this is going to mom, and this is for hot and cold beverages. It says sip in style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. Whether filled with hot or cold drink, the stainless steel water bottle is insulated to keep your drinks at just the right temperature. Colors will be randomly selected. Hand wash only, and this retails for $20. So Gia Daisy measuring spoons, copper plated measuring spoons. It says Giada De Laurentiis is the Emmy award-winning chef of Everyday Italian, Giada in Italy, and 7 other shows. She's also a successful restaurateur, 9 cookbooks, damn girl. This spring, Giada brings her Italian flair to Fab Fit Fun with a set of copper-plated measuring spoons from her new lifestyle platform, Gia Daisy. Giadizzi? It's Giadzy. Giadizzi?
I don't even know what that means.
No one knows what it means.
It says perfect for baking or cooking. The copper-plated measuring spoons that is a perfect chic addition to your kitchen. And there are recipes in this catalog. These retail for $15. So I'm actually going to open it up and see what we get. So you've got a quarter teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and go ahead and guess, 1 tablespoon. So those are cute. And they've got a little ring here, so you could hang them. I don't do that. They just go in a drawer. So it says hand wash only. So that's fun. It's like when you buy a cute sweater or shirt and it says dry clean only, and you're like, all right. So this is the Show Me Your Moo Moo Brie Robe Just stepped out of the shower, planning a day of lounging. Slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. Oh, holy crap. Hand wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. Who's this with this hand wash only shit? $84, you guys. How do they know what size people are? They just, one size fits all? I'm excited about this though, because I have like a big fluffy robe, but I've been wanting like a thinner robe, you know, for the summer time when it gets hot. So basically my robe's for like the winter. Oh, that's so cute. So here it is. Here's the robe. It's really pretty floral design. Oh, it's like short sleeved. That's so cute. So yeah, it is more of like a, I'm getting ready. I'm just out of the shower and I just need to put something on, not walk around naked robe, you know? Last but not least is the Mana Kadar Champagne Body Scrub. Formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals, the Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Apply evenly onto body while gently massaging the skin, then rinse. This retails for $24. It says exfoliant champagne, oh, carbon, okay. Champagne charcoal scrub, didn't say that. Yes, it did. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. Actually really pretty. That'd be really pretty on a counter or something, or in a guest spot. We're going to smell it because I like to smell things. I've got a cold, but I can finally smell things. Like we have ribs cooking downstairs and I can smell that and I'm very excited about it. It smells like, it smells a little fruity almost. I just bought a body scrub, so I'm going through that one right now, but I will definitely try this out. So I wonder if there's different types, because this one says relax on it. I wonder if there's like other ones, like this is just relax. It's definitely like that dark charcoaly color. All right, guys, so that is it for my FabFitFun unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye. Wait, you know what didn't happen? The dogs didn't bark. I have a cute robe. I'm so excited. This is so cute.